First of all, thank you so much for 500 subscribers. It really means a lot for me because I just uploaded 17 videos. Thank you for your support. And you know what? Why I am thankful? Because to be frank, what I am observing, if someone is having good amount of subscriber on his or her channel, then it will be easy for us to subscribe that channel without thinking so much. But if someone is having low amount of subscribers like mine, then in that case we may become judgmental kind of persons, which is not really good from my point of view. And trust me, if you are watching this video, then you are not that kind of person, because subscribing anyone at the initial stage means a lot. That is the reason why I am thankful. See, what I believe, go for the quality content. Do not go for the followers. Be the trend, not follow the trend. And I am saying this not only for this YouTube channel. I am saying this for any other YouTube channel or any other platform. Now, coming to the point. You know what? After 500 subscribers, I was just checking my mails, all the comments. Then I realized most of the question is moving around, like how to prepare for GATE examination, how to prepare for different government examinations like FSSAI, FSO, etc. Different colleges of food technology and many more. See, what I initially thought that I will reply to your comments, but I selected the most random questions, and also I'm going to upload one video in which I'm going to reply to your comments. So make sure to comment down below if you have any further query related to food technology. For this video, let's cover one by one each and every single question. So hello guys, my name is Shreyans. I'm a third year student of BTech Food Technology, and if you end up liking this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon for the future updates. And on this YouTube channel you will get all information regarding food technology and its application. So what I will basically do, I will suggest you some of the YouTube channel names where you will find all the answers of these questions, in-depth answers of this question. So starting with the first question, how to prepare for GATE examination. So for the preparation of GATE examination, I will suggest you two channels. First is Foodemy and the second one is Food Tech Info. Both the channel is great. I will attach the link of these channels in the description section below. On this YouTube channel, you will get videos purely based on preparation of GATE examination. It will help you a lot. Let's say if you already joined a coaching. In that case also, make sure to check the channel because it's free and informative. Utilize these free content. It will help you definitely. See, it may be possible that a lot of other channels is also there for these type of contents. So if you're knowing that channel, let me know in the comment section. I will attach the link of that channel in the description section. Okay, so the next question is how to prepare for government examination, FSSAI, FSO, etc. So for this, I will recommend you one channel name, Food Tech 360, where you will find all type of videos related to government examination, previous year question, some of the theories and a lot more. Make sure to check the channel. Link is in the description. And if you want to level up your career in food technology, then I know you already guessed the name. That is Food Tech Simplified. Now everything is cleared, but one question is coming in my mind, and I'm pretty sure that the same question is also coming in your mind. If we have to prepare for GATE examination, we may check this channel. If we have to prepare for government examination, we may check that channel. Then what is the motto of this channel? What kind of video could you expect in future from this channel? So this is a big announcement for this channel. I'm going to start a series in which I'm going to cover topics which is important for the preparation of interview or let's say group discussion, GD. See, if you are preparing for GATE examination or any other government examination, you have to face the interview once, right? I am going to start a series on this channel, and in that series I am going to cover some of the topics which is important from the interview point of view, topics which is important for group discussions, GD, like what is the difference between quality control and quality assurance, what are the different tests of milk, what are the different tests of flour in bakery. So these topics which is basic but at the same time very important. See, either you are preparing for GATE examination or any other government examinations, you have to face the interview, right? There, this will help you a lot. So make sure to subscribe this channel. And if I skipped something in this video, let me know in the comment section. I will cover up in my upcoming videos. So that's it for this video. Like this video, support me for this series, share this video with your friends. See you soon in my next video. Take care guys.